Good morning everyone. Today I want to talk something about which help us to communicate with the different countries and cultures, and that is English language. English is not a subject of a school. It is a global language which help us to communicate with the different countries and cultures. In today's world, books and learning materials are in English. That's why to learn English is very important for to build the future and for getting a good opportunity in the career. If one knows English very well, it helps us to stand out and to succeed. So let us encourage our children to speak, learn and write English, not for only the marks, but also to build their careers, to develop confidence and to connect to the world. Thank you.